Hello again. So in this lecture we are going to discuss another very important data structure which is available in Python programming language, and that is the Python dictionaries. So let's get started. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss the Python dictionary. So what is basically a Python dictionary? So Python dictionary is basically the Python data structure which is composed of key value pairs enclosed inside the curly braces. Okay, so these data structures are somehow different than the other data structure which we have discussed so far. So first question is basically is that how to construct a dictionary and what are the inherent benefits which basically leads to the development of the dictionaries. Okay, so let's first start the dictionary construction. So basically let us have a dictionary and we call it first underscore dict, and basically the enclosed inside of it the elements are separated out by using the comma, and in each of the element we have two pairs which are again separated by this colon operator. So here we have all the elements available here are basically in the form of pairs, okay, which are enclosed inside of these curly braces. Okay, so here we have this first item here, this is the second item here, and this is the third item here, and each item here is basically separated out from the other item via this comma. Okay, and inside each item we have again two items here which are separated by using the colon operator here. Okay, so when I will run it by using the first underscore dict and printing it, what will happen, we can see that we have the dictionary here which is composed of these elements. So the first element here is this called a key, and the second element here is called a value. Okay, so basically this is the key, this is the value. Similarly in the other item here, this 2 is the key while this one is the value. Similarly 3 is the key and this 3 is basically the value here. Okay, so we can create as many dictionary as possible. So again let me create another dictionary. So second underscore dict. So how to create it? First of all I will write these braces. After writing these braces, let me write the value of key. So in key let me write the value, and the value here is, let me call it Monday. And in Monday I have let us have 3 classes. On Tuesday I have 4 classes, and on Wednesday, okay, I have 1 class. Okay, how to separate them out? We can see here that by writing the elements of the dictionary we have separated them out by using this colon operator. Okay, so we can again very easily print them out. So second underscore dict, and again you can see that these are the values which are available here. Okay, so what are the benefits which basically comes along with these dictionaries? So in order to look inside the benefits of the dictionaries, we should have the knowledge that how to access different elements of a dictionary. So in our first dictionary we can access the value here by using the key value here. Okay, so by writing the name of a dictionary and then the square brackets and writing the value of a key here, we can get the value here. Okay, similarly in writing the second underscore dictionary and this square brackets and then how many classes do I have on Monday, so it will very easily tell me that I have 3 classes on Monday. Okay, so in this way I can access different values of the dictionary. Similarly in our dictionary which is the first underscore dictionary, we have different key values. So in accessing all the key values I can write here the name of the dictionary dot keys, and by running it I will see that it will give me all the values of the keys here. Similarly, if I want to find out the values which are available inside it, I can just write dot values here and it will give me all the values. Similarly, the similar operation can be carried out for the second underscore dictionary dot keys, and here I will see that these are the keys and the values here, values are 3 4 1. Okay, so through this data structure I can store the values which are related to different key elements and store them inside of it. So that is the usability, and due to this characteristic which it possesses, it has been used in many applications. So with the passage of time we will see different applications where these have been used. So till now this is the basics, and this is a very basic lecture in which I'm going to introduce you guys to the fundamental functionalities of the dictionaries. Okay, so after it, if we want to find out all the values of a dictionary, how can we do it? So let me remove it first. So again I can use here zip command, and in previous lecture I have seen that what are the uses of zip command. Okay, so again if I want to display the value of the keys and the corresponding values of the dictionary, I can use these two variables, and in displaying the values of the two variables here I have to use the zip command. Okay, so here by writing it I can very easily see that it will display this one. Similarly, if I want to display for I j in zip second underscore dictionary dot keys, okay, and similarly second dot dictionary dot values, okay, and after it what I have to do, I will have to print their values. So I comma j, and it will give me, you can see that here it will give me the values of all the keys and their corresponding values. Okay, so here I can very easily see their use in displaying different values by using the zip command. Similarly, how to convert a list into a dictionary. We have previously seen that lists are one of the very important data structures in Python language. So how to convert the lists which are available with us into a dictionary? So let us have a list composed of lists inside a list. Okay, so this is the first list and this is the second list which is inside a mighty list here. So that's why this is called the nested list. Okay, so this is the nested list in which I have different items which are included inside this mighty list and separated out. Okay, the one dimensional list, or I can see that a simplified list cannot be converted directly into the dictionaries because there we don't have the key and values which are related to the dictionaries. So that's why in using the dictionaries we should have the list which are nested in nature. Okay, let us have this LSST which is the nested list. So let me print it, and after printing it I can very easily convert into the dictionary by using dict command. Okay, this is a very useful command which is used for converting any list which is LSST into the dictionary. Okay, so LSST under dict is basically the dictionary. So let me first remove it, okay, and run it. I will see that this is a list. Okay, so actually these are the two lists which are inside a mighty list, so that's why these are called the nested lists. Similarly, after it what we can do, I can write the dict command in converting the LSST into the dictionary, and then printing it I will see that, okay, I can very easily see that it has been converted into the list in which this 1 and 2 are the keys while odd and even are the values which are related to these keys. Okay, so this is how I can convert a list into a dictionary. Similarly, in many other scenarios I have to convert dictionary into a list. Okay, how can I convert a dictionary to a list. So therefore there is a very important command here, and that is the items. Okay, so in writing the dot items method here, the available list will already be converted into the available dictionary will already be converted into the list. Okay, so let me run it, and after running it you will see that initially the first underscore dictionary was something else, which is already given here. This is first underscore dictionary. So in order to convert it into the list, I can write the items here. So in items it will be converted into a list here. Okay, so that is all about the list, and in this lecture we have seen all the functionalities which are related to the dictionaries. So this is all about the Python dictionaries, which are very versatile and very important data structures, and we will see other uses inside the object-oriented programming and data structures, where the wide variety of dictionaries have been used. So thank you so much.